Hello everybody and welcome to this tutorial on Pinnacle Studio. This one is about cutting and trimming video clips or audio clips. So let's get started. We have a video here. I'm going to drag that into the timeline onto this track. Let's delete this one. Now you see a marker over here, red marker. You can move it by dragging it. And you see the preview over here also shows the video at this position. So to cut a video clip, you can use this razor blade button over here. It's called Split Clips. And it's going to split the clip at the position of the marker. So just press it and you have two clips now. One to the left and one to the right of the marker. And you can also do a second cut over here. The same principle, just move the marker where you want to cut the clips. And then, if you want, you can remove the middle clip here. Just right click on it and choose delete. Okay, so let's play the timeline.
Hi.
And you see, of course, there's a gap now, and we don't want gaps, so we have to close the gap. We can drag this right clip with the mouse, but there's an easier way to do that. We can right click on the empty space on the track and then choose close gap, and it's closing the gap for us. I want to make things a little bit more interesting now, and we are creating another track now. So I'm going to detach the audio from these video clips by right clicking on the clips and selecting detach audio. And as you see, it's creating another track for the audio of the video. So now I can edit the audio separately from the video. We have two tracks now. Okay, so let's suppose we want to remove a sound, a specific sound in this audio track or in this audio clip. Let's say we want to remove this sound. So we can use the razor blade, the split clips button, and you can see it's splitting all the clips on all tracks. But I don't want to do that. I just want to split the audio clip. So let's undo this. So to cut to split just one clip, you first select it, and then of course you position the marker where you want to cut it, and then you click on split clips, and there you are. We have a nice clean cut on this track here. The video clip above is still uncut. Okay, so we're moving the marker over here. And then I'm cutting again, just selecting this clip again and then cut. Okay, so we have two cuts, one here, and this middle clip. with the unwanted sound, so we can remove this. Delete, and it's gone. I'll play it again. Okay, so the sound is removed, everything okay, and we can just replace the sound with something else. Maybe do a voiceover or insert another sound here, or we can just leave it like that. I want to explain the modes, the editing modes, when editing clips in the timeline. You can choose the mode by selecting this menu over here. There is the smart editing mode, which is kind of an automatic mode. There is the insert mode, and there is the override mode, and I'm going to explain the difference between those modes now. To show it, I'm just going to collapse that, and I'm going to make a cut here and make another cut there, just to have something to move. We are in insert mode. Now I'm going to delete these two clips. So delete, and as you can see in insert mode, the gap that should have been here is automatically closed. So I'm going to undo this, and you can see when I move this audio clip here, the other audio clip that is to the right of this audio clip is moving to the left, and if I put it back, it's moving to the right. So this is the gap avoidance mode. No gaps. And also no overlays. Let's switch to override mode. We're doing the same, and nothing happens. So no clip is moved. Doesn't matter where I move this clip, the other clips are staying where they are. Now the smart editing mode is trying to guess what is right, depending on the position where you move the clip and where the other clips are. And the idea is that most of the time it's right. But personally, I like to have the control, and I like to know what is going to happen. So most of the time I'm using the insert or the override mode. For example, if I want to remove a sound, I know that I want to just remove this clip and not touch any other clips. So I'm going into the override mode and delete it. Now the smart editing mode is doing the same in this situation. Okay, that's it. I hope you liked this tutorial and stay tuned for more.